Are you tired of finding broken hair everywhere you go? Maybe you're constantly picking up snapped strands from your pillow, your clothes, or even your shower drain. It can feel like no matter what you do, your hair just keeps breaking, leaving you frustrated and wondering if you'll ever have the strong, healthy hair you dream of. But what if I told you the solution could be found right in your own kitchen? That's right. No need to rush out and buy expensive products or book salon appointments. The answer to stronger hair might be sitting in your pantry right now. Weak, brittle hair isn't your destiny. It's not something you have to accept or live with forever. With the right care and a little bit of knowledge, you can absolutely change the story of your hair. You don't need fancy, complicated products or a shelf full of bottles. All you need are a few simple, natural ingredients and the right know-how to make them work for you. It's about working smarter, not harder. We all want shiny, healthy hair that bounces and glows in the sunlight. That feeling when you run your fingers through your hair and it feels soft, smooth, and full of life. It's not just for models and commercials. It can be your reality too. Here's the good news. It's totally possible, no matter your hair type or texture. You can absolutely transform your hair with a few easy changes. Think of your hair like a recipe. Just like a delicious meal, it needs the right ingredients, a little patience, and a dash of love. When you give your hair the right care, you'll be amazed at the results. We're about to whip up some easy, effective treatments using things you probably already have at home. These DIY recipes are designed to strengthen, nourish, and add shine to your hair, without any harsh chemicals. This isn't about chasing perfection or trying to look like someone else. It's about embracing your own hair, in all its unique beauty, and making it the healthiest it can be. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own hair, every single day. When your hair feels good, you feel good. So, are you ready to kick breakage to the curb and finally say goodbye to those snapping strands? Let's swap out frustration for a fun, simple routine that actually works. Imagine looking forward to your hair care time instead of dreading it. You'll be amazed at what a few small changes can do. Even tiny tweaks to your routine can lead to big improvements in strength, shine, and overall hair health. No complicated science, no hard-to-find ingredients, just real, practical advice you can start using today. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. So, are you ready to say goodbye to snapping strands and hello to strong, beautiful locks that you can be proud of? This guide is packed with easy tips, nourishing hair recipes, and a step-by-step plan you can actually follow. No guesswork, just results. We'll break it down together, step by step, so you can start your journey to your healthiest hair ever with total confidence. Grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and get ready to have some fun, because we're about to get started. Your hair's about to get a major upgrade, and you're going to love the way it looks and feels. Let's turn that hair frown upside down and bring back your confidence one strand at a time. Strong, shiny hair is just a few simple steps away. Let's do this together. Did you know your hair is a messenger for your health? It's not just about style or color. Your hair is actually giving you clues about what's happening inside your body every single day. Think of it as a natural health indicator that's always with you. Shiny, strong hair usually means your body's happy. When your hair looks vibrant and feels soft, it's a sign that your body is getting the nutrients, hydration, and care it needs. It's like your hair is saying, "Thanks for taking care of me." Dull, dry, or breaking hair? That's a sign it needs some TLC. Maybe you're missing out on key vitamins, or perhaps stress and lack of sleep are taking a toll. Your hair is often the first to show when something's off. Healthy hair isn't just about looks, it's a reflection of your overall well-being. When you feel good on the inside, it shines through on the outside, especially in your hair. Eating well, staying hydrated, and managing stress all show up in your hair. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins helps your hair grow stronger and look its best. When you care for your hair, you're caring for yourself. Taking time for a hair mask or scalp massage isn't just pampering, it's self-love that your body and mind appreciate. It's not vanity, it's self-care and confidence. When your hair looks good, you feel more empowered to take on the day. When your hair feels good, you feel good. It's amazing how a good hair day can lift your mood and boost your self-esteem. Less time worrying about frizz means more time for what matters. Imagine the freedom of not stressing over your hair and focusing on the things you love. Investing in your hair is investing in your happiness. Quality products and regular care routines can make a world of difference, not just for your hair, but for your confidence too. Listen to what your hair is telling you. If it's struggling, it's time to help. Don't ignore the signs. Your hair is asking for attention, and you deserve to feel your best. The right care and nutrients don't just fix hair. they boost your whole body. Supporting your hair health can lead to more energy, better mood, and overall wellness. Small, consistent choices add up to big results. Even simple habits, like using a nourishing oil or brushing gently, can transform your hair over time. Your journey to stronger hair is a journey to a healthier you. Every positive change you make for your hair is a step toward feeling better inside and out. Let's start listening and make those changes. Strong hair, strong you. How cool is that? Your hair is talking. Are you ready to listen and thrive? Let's break it down. What is hair really? We see it every day, style it, wash it, and sometimes even color it. But have you ever wondered what it's actually made of? Understanding your hair's true makeup is the first step to keeping it healthy and strong. Each strand is made of keratin, a tough, fibrous protein that gives hair its strength and flexibility. This core is wrapped in a protective cuticle. Imagine tiny overlapping roof tiles that shield the inner layers from damage and moisture loss. When those cuticle tiles lay flat and smooth, your hair reflects light, making it look shiny, silky, and strong. That's the look we all want, hair that feels soft and looks vibrant. But when those tiles get roughed up or damaged, hair loses its shine, becomes dry, frizzy, and is much more likely to break or split at the ends. Everyday habits like using heat tools, harsh chemicals, or even brushing too roughly can lift those protective tiles, letting precious moisture escape and leaving hair vulnerable to breakage. But healthy hair doesn't just depend on what you do to the strands, it starts at the root. Your hair follicles, buried in your scalp, need a steady supply of nutrients to build strong, resilient hair from the inside out. If your diet is missing key vitamins, minerals, and proteins, your hair can grow in weaker, thinner, and more prone to falling out or breaking before it even gets a chance to shine. So, our plan is twofold. Protect the hair you already have with gentle care, and feed your follicles the nutrients they crave for new, healthy growth. Be gentle. Treat your hair with kindness. Use nourishing masks, avoid harsh treatments, and always keep that cuticle smooth with good habits. And don't forget to nourish your roots from within. Eating a balanced diet full of fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats gives your hair the building blocks it needs to grow strong and beautiful. Tackle both the inside and the outside, and you'll see a huge difference in the way your hair looks, feels, and grows. Strong hair isn't complicated. It's about smart care inside and out. Protect, nourish, repeat. That's the real secret to hair you'll love. Ready to build better hair? Let's get started on your healthiest hair journey yet. A few smart habits can transform your hair. Don't overwash. Every other day or less is best. Use lukewarm water, not hot. Dry gently, squeeze out water, pat with a soft t-shirt or microfiber towel, and air dry when possible. Save heat styling for special occasions, and always use the lowest setting. Use a wide tooth comb on wet hair, starting at the ends. For dry hair, a flexible bristle brush helps distribute natural oils. Be gentle, no ripping through tangles. Avoid tight ponytails and elastics. Switch up styles and use soft scrunchies. At night, a loose braid or silk pillowcase reduces breakage. These small changes add up fast. Protect your hair daily and it'll thank you. Consistency is key. Make these habits routine. Your hair will get stronger every day. You are what you eat, and so is your hair. Protein is key. Eggs, chicken, fish, beans, and lentils help build strong strands. Healthy fats like salmon, avocados, walnuts, and flax seeds nourish your scalp and add shine. Iron, in red meat, spinach, lentils, prevents hair loss. Pair with vitamin C, oranges, peppers, strawberries, for better absorption. Vitamin E, sunflower seeds, almonds, and zinc, beef, pumpkin seeds, help repair and grow hair. A hair-healthy plate is colorful. Think salmon, leafy greens, peppers, and nuts. For breakfast, try Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts. Snack on apples with almond butter. No crazy diets, just variety and whole foods. Feed your body well, and your hair will shine. Eat smart, grow strong, your hair will thank you. Time for my favorite part, DIY hair masks. For strength, mix 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Protein rebuilds, yogurt soothes. For moisture, mash half an avocado with a tablespoon of olive oil. Fats and vitamins deeply nourish. For shine, blend 1 ripe banana with a tablespoon of honey. Bananas soften, honey adds moisture and gloss. For deep conditioning, Use 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. It penetrates and strengthens. Whip up these masks in minutes. No fancy ingredients needed. Each one targets a different hair need. Use what your hair craves most. Affordable, natural, and effective. Your kitchen is your new hair spa. Stronger, healthier hair starts here. Try them all and see what works best. Your hair will love you for it. Made a mask? Here's how to use it right. Always patch test first. Dab a little behind your ear and wait 30 minutes. If no irritation, apply to damp, towel-dried hair in sections, from scalp to ends. Massage in, cover with a shower cap or plastic wrap, and let sit 20-30 minutes. Relax while it works. Mini spa time. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. If oily, follow with gentle shampoo. Use a mask once a week for best results. Consistency brings real change. Don't overload. Once a week is plenty. Enjoy the process and the results. DIY masks are easy, safe, and effective. Your hair will feel the difference. Let's make hair care simple with a weekly plan. Wash hair 3 times a week with lukewarm water and sulfate-free shampoo. Always condition mid-lengths and ends. Once a week, swap conditioner for a DIY mask. Wednesday is spa day. On non-wash days, avoid heat styling and embrace your natural texture. Use a drop of natural oil on ends if needed. Choose loose styles and sleep on a satin pillowcase. Sunday, rest and prep. Wear hair down or loose, brush gently, and plan hair-healthy meals. Small routines make a big difference. Stick to the plan for stronger hair. Prep, protect, and pamper. Your hair will thrive. The most important ingredient? Patience. Hair takes time to grow stronger. Be kind to yourself in the process. Celebrate small wins. Less breakage, more shine. Consistency is your superpower. Small daily choices add up. Stick with your routine, even on busy days. There's no perfect hair. Just your healthiest, happiest version. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Embrace your unique hair and enjoy the self-care. If you notice sudden hair loss or scalp issues, see a doctor. For most, these tips will transform your hair. Strong, shiny hair is within reach. You've got this. Enjoy the journey. Be patient, be kind, be you. Your best hair days are ahead. Shine on. Love natural and homemade beauty tips? Hit that like button and subscribe for more easy DIY beauty secrets. Join our community and let's glow together, naturally.